Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. Cloud local and long distance movers near me. We not only help transport your things from point A to point B, but we also provide many other moving services. Whether you just want a little bit of help or a full service moving company, we've got you covered. Some of the services we provide include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not an easy thing to justify hiring a Florida moving company at first. However, when you see the benefits you'll gain, it becomes much easier. Our team will save you time, make sure your things are completely protected, and we also make your move happen much faster. Plus, hiring local movers ensures you don't have to do the heavy lifting. A skilled team of movers, such as 3 Movers, offers an easy way to streamline your move. We let you get settled in faster. Our movers can handle an entire local move in just a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Cloud moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.